the mighty, mighty redwoods. Day 2 on my adventure north in Northern California. Just spent the night in Boulder Creek, and it was amazing. Went on a little wild mushroom foraging adventure, and now headed up to Sunnyvale, and it is a good day for me. That's right, rocking into the sunset, going up into Bear Creek Basin, and life couldn't be better. Sing it with me, Mumford and Sons. It will not betray you, dismay, or enslave you. It will set you free. Be more like the man you were made to be. You! There is a designer, the light up to cry of my heart to see the beauty of love as it was made to